Today I'm gonna show you how to create double exposure effect in Adobe Photoshop with simple way. Let's get started. First, select the object to remove the background. Go to Select and then choose Object. After the object selected, go to Select again, hold Shift on your keyboard and click Select and Mask. Set the radius into 4 pixels and brush the hair area. Click on Decontaminate Color, set the amount to 40 and click OK. Delete the background layer. Create new solid layer. Click on Image Layer and go to Image, Adjustments, choose Desaturate. Import the second image into the layer. Set the position of second image. Press Ctrl on the keyboard and then click on the thumbnail. Select the mountain layer and choose Add Layer Mask. Duplicate the women layer and put it into top layer. Set the blending mode to lighten and set the opacity by 50%. Add the layer mask. Choose brush tool and make sure the foreground color is black. Click on Mountain Layer and click on Layer Mask Thumbnail. Duplicate the mountain layer. Delete the layer mask. Hold your Alt on your keyboard, click Layer Mask. Add new solid layer. Set the blending mode to soft light. Set opacity by 50%. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus E. Go to Image, Adjustments, choose Desaturate. Set the blending mode to multiply and opacity by 50%. And then you are done. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave like and subscribe to my channel.